Hi, my name is Mr. ECH. In this video, I would like to address the assumption that anyone who can speak the language can effectively teach it. From my perspective, I disagree with the assumption that speaking a language fluently is equivalent to knowing how to teach it. While using terminology naturally is vastly different from teaching it effectively. A fluent speaker can have with casual conversation or natural slangs. However, professional teaching requires specialized skill such as pedagogical strategies or grammar structuring and understanding how to adapt to different learning style. And then from the lesson, we learn that professional language teachers need to have different skill beyond just speaking ability. The skill we learn in the lesson are body language, teacher talks, or scaffolding techniques, right? On the other hand, I believe that teachers must be able to use all these techniques to tap into the zone of proximal development for language learners, the zone that is just beyond the student understanding, but not too challenging, right? Furthermore, teachers must know their learners very well and be patient also, and then understand our learners so we can fulfill them, right? So we must know their needs or wants so we can fulfill that gap. In conclusion, I think knowing how to speak the language fluently won't be enough to make you able to teach effectively. So how about you? What do you think of this assumption? You can share your thought. Bye bye.